Alright, tubers. And this might be a little tricky because I got this thing plugged in. As you can see the wire here. Because my battery's dead. But I'm just going to show you an easy way to make a homemade feeder. If I can figure out a way to get you guys set up here. And you can roll. I'm going to turn on a little tune in the background. Alright. I've already started it. I didn't think to really video it till now, but what I'm doing is I'm just got a piece of cardboard here. And this cardboard box here. What I'm doing is I'm just cutting little slots in the sides. Depending on how big your chickens are. That's how high you want it. And then make little 2 on that side, 1 on the small side. You don't want to make too many arrows, so you'll gonna get weak on the sides, and you can't really put any feet in there. So. Just use a knife and cut it. These don't take a lot of time to do. The worst enemy, tape. That means you gotta be careful that you don't cut yourself either. Alright, just like so. And I'm going to do on the sides. I'm going to do it like this and cut like that because it's better if you don't like bend the cardboard, then it gets weak and stuff. So, make it so deep and so wide. Darn tape. Making things a lot harder than it should be. These will be really good if you have a lot of problem with them dumping their feed. This should help. You don't have to be real wide. If it's too wide, they'll actually climb in. So you might want to maybe put a piece of cardboard or something on top there so they don't climb in. They also climb in their poop and stuff like that, so you're just kind of back to square one. Alright. Back to the coin. If you're wondering, these are for my Americanas, not my little barred rock. I'll probably use it on my barred rocks too, but not quite yet. They're still a little too young. that's done. All the cutouts are done. So, let's see what I can do to put a lid on it. Well, those look like they'll work good. A little piece of tile. I think that's actually going to work pretty good. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my feed. Oh. Kid scoop there. Crap. We'll filter a little. Taking a little bit out, a little too much in here. Don't need it completely up to cutouts, so they can reach in with their neck a little bit and get some. So. And I think that'll work pretty good. So, not quite sure how charged my phone's going to be, so this might be the end here when I unplug it. I'm going to take it to them and see what they do and stuff. So, this might be the end of the video, might not be. I guess we'll see here in about a second here. First off, what I'm going to try to do, if I can get you guys set up here, so we're going to stay here for a second. Bear with me here. Getting a little duct tape. I'm going to try to get a bungee strap, but I don't have one small enough to do the job, so. Duct tape here. What I'd probably do is I'd probably just peel the duct tape back to open it and close it and stuff. But not too bad there. I'm pretty happy with that. And so as you can see, what it cost me to build that. It was about 4 inches in duct tape and an old cardboard box. So it didn't cost me a lot better than going to like tractor place, or a supply company, and buying one of their feeders. So I'm going to unplug it now and see what happens. So, alright, we got a little battery, 2 bars, it'll last us another couple of minutes, hopefully. You guys are out here. Oh, they're sleeping. These haven't worked. One's a little different. So just like that. Strap up. So, alright. Moved these little boogers outside the other day. I just gotta keep that under there just in case it rains. I'll just put that like that. So we might die here. I'm down to 1 battery already, so if we die, see y'all later. And have a good one. But I'll keep on filming until we die. Just see if they'll eat out of it yet. Yeah, that one's reaching in through that one side. Through the front side there. He's reaching and eating. Yep, looks like one might be reaching in through the side. I think we did a pretty good job. I think we got the job done. And it won't spill. Won't get poop in it and crap, and won't get water in it. So, I think we did pretty good. So you got 2, got 5 cutouts that they can reach, and I got 5 birds, so worked pretty good there. Only if they're smart enough to come on this side to eat. As soon as I said that, one came over here. Now, of course, they're walking back. You see those cutouts there? On my wooden vest, and one of these waterers. It cost me $5 for that little quart one. They work pretty good. They do not tip, so that's pretty nice about them. So, anyways, that didn't turn out too bad. Hopefully one don't kill itself. Its head caught in there or something somehow. So anyways, see you guys later.